Okay, ready, go! Fairywill, my new toothbrush. It's very cheap. Sonic technology, 4,000 stroke per minute. For Sonic electric toothbrush for your clean teeth and oral health. Oh, remove up to 100% more plaque within 1 week. Improve tooth gum health in just 2 weeks. Achieve noticeable whitening in 2 weeks. Unique design of toothpaste supporter rich areas. 2 minutes smart timer and towel coat reminding it's 30 seconds. Waterproof for shower and bath. Okay, now we will open now. Okay. Chart on dash is power source on power consumption by Fairywill. Okay. 9. No. So we have here interdental sharing gift. Buksan muna natin yung gift. Ayan siya yung gift niya sa ngipin. Okay. And then, this is the toothbrush. Okay, we will open now.
Yeah.
Maganda ba to? It's nice with the one. This the dust haben. Yeah, it's black toothbrush with blue. Kaya magana siya. Okay. Let's charge in here. Oh, wait. Here's the charger. The charger is there. Ay. Type invitation. Ito pala yung ano niya. You know, black. I like black color also. I don't like pink. Wait. And what's this one? This is the instruction how to use it. Whoa, too much instruction for the toothbrush.
This toothbrush.
Okay, we also have this. Also new in case it get cutting. We have 2 free. So if it's get old, you can remove and detach. Get oily hand. Das. Pag install mo, ganyan, move mo ganyan. Pag remove, yan.
Mexican pink, Mama.
So maganda naman siya. Install like this. This is install and this is detach. And I have 2 free. And this is for dental. Free. Okay? Ganda siya. Charger there. There's the USB. Okay. So here's the toothbrush design. This is the toothbrush built in here. And the V is for whitening teeth. C is for cleaning. S for sensitive. P is for polish. M is for massage. This is the charging, if it's full or not. Charging part. Okay, we will try. As is for white.
That's right.
C is for clean. C. It's rotating, huh? S is for sensitive. P is for polishing. That's P. M is for massage. This massage. So that's. Check the link down below. You can buy also in Amazon. It's cheap, €22. It's very nice. Thank you for watching.